Are you tired of the hassle that comes with meal prepping? Do you want a reliable solution that keeps your food fresh, organized, and ready to go? Look no further than the Freshware 60-pack food storage containers with lids. This review will delve into why these containers are a game changer for your kitchen, offering convenience, versatility, and a breath of fresh air to your meal prep routine. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The ultimate combo pack, Freshware doesn't just provide containers, they deliver a comprehensive solution with a 60 combo pack. With 20 sets of 8 ounces, 16 ounces, and 32 ounces containers, you have the perfect size for any meal or snack. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or a parent on the go, this combo pack has you covered. Airtight seal for lasting freshness. Say goodbye to freezer burn and food that tastes anything but fresh. The leak-proof lids on these containers create an airtight seal, preserving the flavor and quality of your meals. Easily transition from the fridge to the microwave, maintaining the freshness of your food as if it were just prepared. Bpa-Free and microwavable. Your health matters, and Freshware understands that. Crafted from high-quality BPA and phthalate-free plastic, these containers prioritize your well-being. Microwave your meals without worry, as these containers are 100% microwavable, ensuring no harmful chemicals leach into your food. Meal prep made easy. Portion control is a key aspect of any healthy lifestyle, and Freshware excels in making it simple. The convenient sizes provided in this combo pack aid in weight loss efforts and make meal prep faster and more efficient. Take control of your diet with these perfectly sized containers. Stackable, freezer-safe, and reusable. Freshware goes beyond basic storage. The stackable design saves precious space in your refrigerator, freezer, or even your gym bag. Reuse these containers by tossing them in the dishwasher or washing them by hand. The choice is yours. Ideal for those on the go, these containers are perfect for travel purposes. Satisfaction guarantee. Freshware stands by the quality of their product. If, by any chance, these containers don't meet your expectations, they offer a full refund or replacement. Your satisfaction is their top priority. Ready to revolutionize your meal prep routine? The Freshware 60-pack food storage containers are your answer. With their airtight seals, versatile sizes, and commitment to your health, these containers elevate your kitchen experience. Elevate your meal prep experience. Freshware understands the challenges of meal prepping and offers a solution that surpasses expectations. Whether you're on a fitness journey, managing a busy schedule, or just seeking a more organized kitchen, these containers are your perfect companion. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your meal prep game. Click Add to Cart now and experience the Freshware difference where convenience meets quality. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.